How to log out of Messenger on Android and iOS. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log out of Messenger. Now, if you open the Messenger application and head over to the settings, you're not going to find any option of a direct log out. That is because Messenger does not have the direct logout button anymore. However, there are some ways on how you can log out of the Messenger app. The first thing you can do is simply uninstall the application. So go ahead and tap on the uninstall option. Once you tap on the uninstall option, you want to head over to Play Store or App Store. After that, you simply want to type Messenger and then have this application installed on your device. When you install this and open up the application again, you will see that you have been successfully logged out of your account. Now, there is another way as well. For this, you want to launch open Facebook on your device. After you've launched Facebook, make sure to sign into your account. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. From here, tap on this gear icon to open up your settings. Now you want to tap on the Account Center option. Here, tap on Password and Security. Once you're here, you want to tap on where you're logged in. Now select your account. After this, you want to scroll all the way down and tap on Select Devices to log out option. Now tap on Select All. Once you have selected all, tap on the Log Out option. Now tap on the Log Out option. Once you do that, you will be successfully logged out of your Messenger as well. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.